In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what Printify is, for those of you who might not be familiar. Printify is an amazing print-on-demand service that allows you to create custom designs and sell a variety of products online without ever having to keep inventory. Integrating a payment method like PayPal can really streamline your sales process and help you manage payments easily. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Printify account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. Just head over to the Printify website, sign up with your email, and create a password. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is kind of like your command center for managing all your products and orders. Now, once you're logged in, look for the My Store tab on the left side of the screen. This is where you can manage your store settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to pay attention here, because this is where you can set up payment methods, including PayPal. After you click on My Store, you'll notice a few options, but what we want to do is look for the Payment Methods section. This will allow you to connect different payment processors to your Printify account, and of course, we're specifically focusing on PayPal. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Payment Method. Click on this option, and a list of payment processors will appear. If you see PayPal listed, that's great. Click on it. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might just be located under a drop-down or second list. Just keep clicking around until you find it. Alright, so after you've clicked on PayPal, you'll probably be prompted to log into your PayPal account. This is a secure connection, so you can feel safe doing this. If you're already logged into PayPal in another tab or window, it might autofill information for you, which is super convenient. If not, just enter your PayPal email and password. Once you log in, PayPal will ask for your permission to allow Printify to connect to your account. Just read through the terms and agreements, and if you're good with it, go ahead and click Agree. This step is crucial because it ensures that Printify can process payments from your customers directly to your PayPal account. After you agree, you'll be redirected back to Printify. You might see a confirmation message that says your PayPal account is now linked successfully. Fantastic! You're doing great so far. Now, you might want to double-check that everything's working correctly, so head back to the Payment Methods section in the My Store tab. Here, you should see PayPal listed, indicating that it's linked. If everything looks good, you're ready to start selling your custom products. Don't forget that with PayPal, your customers will have the option to make secure payments, which is a huge plus for boosting their confidence when purchasing from your store. Lastly, if you happen to run into any issues during this process or you have some questions about it, the Printify Help Center is a fantastic resource. They have a lot of articles and guides that can troubleshoot common issues or explain features in more detail. And that's it. You've successfully connected PayPal to your Printify account. Now you can focus on designing your products and getting them out into the world. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.